In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can fix it when TikTok is not showing videos. So if you're going onto your profile and your videos aren't loading, or you go onto the home page and videos aren't popping up, what you can do if typically they're not loading onto your profile and things like that, it's due to a bad internet connection. So you want to make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection or on a data connection that is strong enough to be able to load up TikTok and everything associated with it. So to check that, you can just swipe down from the top of your screen, go to your control panel. And if you're on Wi-Fi, then you want to switch off the Wi-Fi and just use the mobile data. Then you can go back into TikTok and see if the videos are now loading up. And if that's not working and then you're on mobile data, switch off mobile data, go onto Wi-Fi, go back onto TikTok and see if the videos are loading up. You can try refresh the page. And typically you can fix this also by just swiping out of the TikTok app real quick and then going back into the app and then seeing if the videos load up. Sometimes it can just get clogged up and then you just need to quickly get out of it, then go back in. But another thing that you can do if that's not working still is make sure that TikTok is not actually down, because social media apps can go down quite often. And if you're not aware that it's down, you're going to be very frustrated trying to do things on the app when it's actually in fact down. So to check this, you can either go to a down detection website, or you can just simply go onto YouTube or Google or Reddit and see if people are complaining that Instagram is down. If it is down, there's nothing much you can do. You just have to wait it out and see if they rectify the problem. Typically, they get everything fixed within a couple of hours of Instagram going down. So the last thing you can do if you're on a good connection and TikTok isn't down, the last thing you want to do is go out of TikTok, go onto the App Store on your phone. So either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Then in the search bar, you just want to search for TikTok, hit search. And then you want to make sure if you have an update available, update to the latest version, because sometimes something can go wrong with the current version that you have and then they fix it within the latest version. So if it says update your TikTok app to the latest version and see if that rectifies the problem. Once you've updated, you can just tap on open, it'll go into TikTok, refresh it, and you can see if the videos are now loading. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.